Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete or close your Binance account. So let's get started. At first, let's get into the app. Now click on this icon in the top left corner and click on the setting icon over here. Now we need to scroll down and click on security. Now scroll down to manage account. So let's tap on this. Here we can see there's two options: to disable account and to delete account. You can choose any as per your need. So let's tap on delete account. We need to give the region and click on continue. We need to accept the terms and conditions and click here, and finally click on delete account. Once we have done that, our Binance account will be deleted. So this is all. So this is how we can close our Binance account. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.